Hi and welcome to the allotment. It's the end of May, just a few more days left in May, and quite a bit has happened on the allotment since my last video. So I'll just show you quickly outside. Okay, so now I've got all the potatoes outside. These were in the polytunnel, if you remember, and although there's a bit of weeding to do, we've got beds planted out, and I've got the sweet corn in there. I'm not using the shed. I've got two guards on the shed. Those are real birds, not statues. But in the bird box, we've got some birds nesting in there. So I've not been going near there, and I haven't used that other bed either because that will disturb them. There's too much work to do. Okay, so let's go have a quick look in the polytunnel. You'll notice a big difference in here. See, I've stripped out all the onions. I've got to strip the garlic out. The onions are on the shelf drying. You can see them drying away. And then the tomatoes are growing away quite well. And today, my main job today is going to be to put those runner beans in that you can see there. Trying to empty this polytunnel out of everything that I need. Okay, so we'll go and have a look where the beans are going to be planted. We've had some very hot temperatures at the end of May. It is cooling down a bit today, and even a threat of rain today. It's quite odd what we've had. So if I just turn the camera around, you'll see where we're going to plant the runner beans. Okay, so the runner beans are going to be planted here. That's how I prefer to do the canes for the runner beans. So they drop back down, and it's quite a solid structure. So there isn't a great deal of movement in that structure at all. So as you can see, just above there, I've got the potatoes. All right, so planting the runner beans out. It's quite simple. These were well watered beforehand, and we just plant them on the inside of the cane, and they will grow up the cane then. Our canes are about, I'll get that one out. Our canes are about 8 inches apart, which are a bit closer than I know some people do. I'm only putting one bean in per cane. Firm them in. Got some decent roots, so they should grow away well. The ground has been well fed prior to planting these out, so again they'll have a good soak. If I'm really lucky, we might get a good downpour of rain as well, just to help them. So I do think that even if you put a feed in with the water, sometimes the rainwater will do them the world of good. It's a pity I didn't plant them out yesterday, really, because we had a nice thunderstorm overnight. We should have done them the world of good and let them get away to a really good start. Okay, so that's 20 runner bean plants planted out, just watering them in, and I've got a handful of spares, so if any of these for some reason go back, I've got some spares I can replace them with. But like I say, we're not expecting any more frosts now, because we're at the end of May, so we shouldn't get another frost, and they look fairly healthy plants at the moment, so hopefully, like I say, these will grow away. 20 should be plenty enough for us. We've got French beans started at home, so these aren't the only beans that we actually grow. Okay, so that's the runner beans planted out. One thing I didn't show you earlier, and I'll just share with you now, is our sweet peas. And I might actually pick the first few, not today, perhaps tomorrow. I'll just swing the camera around and share with you those. So as you can see, we've got a nice selection of sweet peas. These are all from our saved seeds, and I will actually cut a few and take them home, I think, and that will encourage a few more to come. Okay, so that's the only job for today. Although it's not as hot as it had been for the last few days, it's certainly quite warm now. So I'll say bye for now and see you again soon. Bye.